MINI has updated its hatchback and convertible range for 2018. And here's the carwow top 10 things you need to know about what's new. Not much has actually changed on the outside, but all Minis now get LED lights as standard. The taillights feature a Union Jack lighting signature. Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to vote if you think they're a flash of cool Britannia or if they're a bit too Brexity. MINI has changed the engine that you get with the 1 model, so instead of 1.2 litre, it now gets a 1.5 litre 3-cylinder unit. Power is the same at 102 horsepower, but the new engine gets an extra 10 Newton meters of torque. Ooh, wow. There are a few changes inside the MINI too. They include a couple of new leather colours and an optional piano black trim on the dash, which comes with a backlit Union Jack motif. For the first time in any MINI, there's the option of a dual-clutch automatic gearbox. It allows for faster shifts in dynamic mode and fuel-saving coasting in eco-friendly green mode. All new Minis get extra kit, including an updated infotainment system and wireless phone charging. The pepper and chili option packs now add rear parking sensors and MINI-branded puddle lights. The MINI gets a clever stop-start system that uses the satellite navigation data to decide when it's sensible to cut the engine, so no more unnecessary floundering at junctions waiting for the engine to start. How's this for unique? MINI buyers will now be able to make the most of a 3D printing service to make bits of the exterior and interior trim unique, or maybe a bit naff. MINI's FindMate system features Bluetooth trackers that can be attached to bags and key rings and other small items. Perfect if you're always losing stuff, just don't lose the car. MINI has apparently changed its brand logo. It's slightly simpler than the old badge, but I wouldn't have actually noticed if MINI hadn't told me. When the new MINI arrives, it's likely to be slightly more expensive than the current car's £14,500 starting price. But if you click in the top right hand corner of the screen, you can go to carwow.co.uk for more information and for the latest offers on new cars. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel and click on the windows for more videos.